Thinking of publishing your book but not sure whether to start with an ebook or go straight to print? You're not alone. This is one of the most frequently asked questions by self-publishers. Today, I'll break down the pros and cons of both, help you figure out what fits your goals, and share some behind-the-scenes tips I've learned publishing across formats. Let's get clear on what we're talking about. An ebook is a digital file, typically sold through platforms such as Kindle, Apple Books, or Kobo. It's easy to distribute, costs nothing to print, and can be downloaded instantly. A physical book, paperback or hardback, is, well, what you're used to. You hold it, you flip the pages, and put it on your shelf. It's tangible, but it also comes with printing, shipping, and layout considerations. Understanding the difference isn't just technical. It's about how your audience consumes content and how you want your book to exist in the world. Let's look at the advantages of ebooks. No print costs. You can publish your ebook and make it available to the world at virtually zero cost, helping you reach a global audience with ease. Instant delivery. Readers can buy and read your book in seconds, experiencing the immediate gratification and potentially boosting your sales. Higher royalties. On Amazon, you can earn up to 70% on ebooks priced between $2.99 and $9.99. Global distribution. Your book can reach readers in dozens of countries without requiring any additional effort on your part. Now, a few downsides. It's harder to gift an ebook or get it into bookstores. Some genres, such as coffee table books or children books, don't translate well digitally. Some readers think ebooks are worth less than physical books and less likely to pay more than a few dollars. Now let's talk about print. Physical books have a lasting presence. They feel real. Readers love to show them off, underline passages, or give them as gifts. They can be sold at events, in bookstores, or on your website. Certain readers, especially those who prefer nonfictions or memoirs, tend to enjoy print. Print-on-demand options such as KDP Print, Ingram Spark, or Lulu allow you to avoid bulk orders. But there are trade-offs. Lower royalties. You may only earn $2 to $4 per book after print costs. More setup time. Formatting a print book takes more effort than uploading an ebook. Shipping and returns. You'll need to think about fulfillment if you plan to sell directly. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and tap the notification bell so you're always the first to know when a new video drops. So how do you decide? If you write fiction, especially genre fiction such as romance, fantasy, or mystery, ebooks can be a fast and cost-effective way to build an audience and an income stream. If your book is nonfiction, a workbook, or anything highly visual, print might serve your readers better. Also, consider your budget. If you're bootstrapping your book launch, starting with an ebook might make the most sense. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one. Most successful self-published authors release their book in both ebook and print format. Why? Because you reach a wider range of readers. Some love the ease of Kindle, others want something physical. Offering both formats gives you more opportunities to earn and grow. If you're feeling stuck or not sure how to get your book published, I offer personalized coaching to guide you step by step from first draft to hitting publish. Whether you're just starting or ready to release your book, I'll help you move forward with confidence. I offer 4 different levels: quick clarity call, a focused one-on-one session to specific publishing questions, introductory session, quick strategy session to assess where you are in your publishing journey, self-publishing power hour, a deep dive one-on-one strategy session tailored to your publishing goals, and the indie author jumpstart, 3 one-hour coaching calls to take your book from draft to publication. Check out the link in the description. Now, what about audiobooks? Audiobooks are booming. If you have the budget to produce one, it's a great way to stand out, but they are costly. Think $1,000 and up for narration, editing, and mastering. So if you're just starting out, it's totally okay to wait. I actually saved up for my first one. I didn't want to do a royalty share. Best decision ever. But that's another story. Here are other few things to keep in mind if you publish in multiple formats. Use tools like Atticus or Vellum to format your book for both print and ebook easily. Make sure your metadata, which is your title, subtitle, and keywords, are optimized for each platform. Metadata is the information about your book that helps readers find it. It's like the digital fingerprint, so it's crucial to get it right. Keep pricing strategic. Don't price your print version so low that it eats up your profit. And don't price your ebook so high that readers pass it by. For example, if your ebook is $2.99, your print version could be $9.99 to cover the higher production costs. Consider bundling. Some authors sell their ebook and print book together at events or offer bonuses for ordering both. Set up your back matter to work across formats. Back matter is the content at the end of your book, like author's notes, acknowledgments, or a preview of your next book. Include links to your website, newsletter sign up, or your next book to keep readers engaged and coming back for more. So, should you publish an ebook or physical book? The answer depends on your goals, your audience, and your budget. But with today's tools, you can do both and give your book the best chance to reach the readers who need it. And once you know your book's format, your cover has to pull its weight. A bad one can kill your sales before they start. So check out this video where I talk about how to design a book cover that actually sells. See you there.